Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate captions for your video in Windows 11. So let's begin. So firstly, go to the start menu and search for Microsoft ClickSamp. And open these applications, Microsoft ClickSamp applications. This applications comes pre-installed with your operating system in Windows 11. So let's open it. Now click here, create a new video. Click here, import media to import your video. Once the video is loaded in this applications, now click on this plus icon to bring it to the timeline. And on the right side you will see here CC Captions. Just click on it and click here try now to generate. Now select the language, click on transcribe media, and this will generate or start generating the captions. Once the caption is generated, you will see here on the right side a small window, and now play the video to
remove
see the
background
captions
from the
in
image easily
your
in
video. You can see here
Windows
as the video is
using
playing,
MS Paint.
the caption is also displayed in
Firstly,
the video. You can also
MS
review
Paint.
the captions on this transcribe. So you can see here captions along with the time, and if there is some or if you find any mistake in this transcribe, you can immediately sense here by clicking on the caption
and the image that you want to remove the background.
Once you have reviewed all the captions and you want to save the video, click on the export button, or you can also download the captions. To save the video, click on the export and select the quality. Type the name of the video, exporting to, and this will start exporting the video to your local drive. Once the video is exported into your local drive, you can review the video.
In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a background from the image easily in
You can see here
Windows
image,
using
the
MS
video
Paint.
is playing
So
with the
let's begin.
captions.
So firstly, open MS Paint.
So this is how you can easily generate captions for your video in Windows 11. So that's it for today.